Hi students, good morning everyone. Hope that all of you are keeping well. Take the textbook English Honeysuckle. Okay, hope that everyone have already studied the poem, learned the word meaning. Now we are going to do the textbook work, working with the poem on page 16. Okay, the first question. Do you agree with what the poet says? Talk to your partner and complete these sentences. Okay, we are going to fill these blanks. You remember first question you see a house is made of. What are the things in the poem? Is saying about house, how we will build. A house is made of bricks, stone and wood. Okay, you can write a house is made of bricks, stone and wood. Okay, the second one. It has, what are the other things the house have? It has windows, door, yard, eaves, chimneys, tile floors, okay, roof. Okay, but these are the things. Okay, what are the things? Windows, doors, yard, eaves, chimneys, tile floors and roof. Okay, the third one. You can fill this one. Complete with a pencil. Okay, you can write with a pencil. Then third one. Hey, home is made by. What are the things of home made by? What are the things? The home made by fathers and mothers, brothers and sisters. Okay, a home is made by fathers and mothers, brothers and sisters. Okay. Third one. It has what? Home, love and affection. It has love and affection. Okay. Everybody got this fourth answer? Fourth answers? Okay. The second one. Now, complete these sentences about your house and home. Now, we can complete this one. My house is, your house is, you can write, my house is made of what? My house is made of bricks, stones, wood. Okay, you can write what are the things we use for the construction. My house is made of bricks, stones, wood, glass or roofs. Okay, all these things. The second question. The best thing about my home. What are the best thing about my home? The best thing about my home is that we live with affection, love. Okay, you can write this one. The best thing about my home is love, affection. Okay. Hope that all of you copied in your textbook these words. Please write in your textbook and study. Okay, now we are going to learn a new chapter. Chapter second. How the dog found himself a new master. Okay, how the dog found himself a new master. Okay, this is a story. Okay, this is a story how a dog found a master. Okay, this is a simple story. Okay, now before centuries, means before more years before, the dog, wolves, cows, all are living in the forest. Forest means where there is so many trees, there are so many animals. Okay, there are no people. There are no people. Human beings there is no, but only the animals means lion, tiger, elephant, all type of animal. Then the dog also living in the forest. So many centuries, so many years before, dog also living in the forest. Okay, then all are living in the forest. All animal is living in the forest. Now what happened? There was also dog. There was a one dog. Then these animals, the speciality of this animal, they have to find their own food. Okay, no one will give them. They have to find. A dog has to search his own food. A lion has to search his own food. Okay, then they have to search their own food. Then no one can get close in the room and or close in the cave because they has to search the food. Then what happened? There was a dog. He doesn't like to go and search the food. There was a dog who doesn't like it. He want to always somebody give him something. Okay, always want some master. Means when the master will eat, he can also eat. No, like that. He doesn't want to work because if he is a servant of someone, the master will give him. Okay, like that his mentality. A dog. Then he want that somebody to him a master. Then he went to search. He was searching for a master. Then what happened? He find a wolf. He find a wolf. He find a wolf. Then he asked to wolf to be his master because found that wolf is a very strong animal and fierce animal. Fierce means violent animal because no one will afraid of him because he thought that this wolf is a very strong animal. Then if he become the servant of this wolf, he cannot afraid no one because the wolf is very strong. Okay, then he was living with the wolf. Who is living with the wolf? Dog. Okay, then what happened? They both are walking. The both are walk. Then what happened? Suddenly the wolf ran away quickly because the dog and wolf are walking together. Suddenly, fastly, the wolf ran away. Then dog was just looking here and there. He find that there was a bear. You know that bear? Okay, there was an animal bear. Then wolf is afraid of bear. Then dog thought that wolf doesn't have fear of no one. Then he understood that wolf is afraid of bear. Then dog thought that then bear is a very strong animal because wolf also afraid. Then he thought that he will become the servant of bear. Okay, then the bear become the master of the dog. Then what happened? Bear become the master of dog. Then they both are walk. They are walking together. Then bear told, we can eat cow because in the forest there is also cows. Okay, they both are walking. They saw that bear and cow. They saw that there was a herd of cows. Herd of cows means a group of cow. There is a group of cow coming. Then they got panic. Who got panic? Bear got panic. Then bear ran away quickly. Then what happened? He said that the dog is asking to bear, what happened? You are not afraid of no one. Then what happened? No, I heard the sound of lion. Then the dog understood that the bear is afraid of lion. Okay, then bear was saying that lion is the king of the forest. Then he is the very powerful animal, very strong animal. Then he went away from there. He go away from there. Who? Bear. Then what happened? Then the dog thought that now I will become the servant of lion. He understood that the lion is the very stronger animal in the forest. Okay, then he become the friend of dog. Okay, he become the servant of lion. He become the servant of lion. Then who is the master now? Lion is the master, dog is the servant. Now then so many years the dog lived with the lion, because lion is very strong animal in the forest. Then the dog is very secured and he is very happy with the lion. Then one day the both they were walking along the forest. Both are walking along the forest, and in the the rock side, the lion suddenly stopped. The dog saw that the lion stopped there. Then he is like getting a smell. The face of the lion is looking in a for a like something is bad is going on. Then the dog is asking to lion what happened. Then lion is saying that I can feel the smell of man. I can feel the smell of man. Some man is here. Then what happened? The lion ran away from there. Then he said that the man would fall in, the man will take off me. Oh, I am afraid of man. Then the dog understand that not the lion is very strongest person, the strongest animal. The man was the strongest one in the on earth. The man was the strongest on the earth, because the man was nothing afraid. Who was the man is not afraid of nothing. Then what happened? He went away. He ran away from the forest and he became the servant of man. He understood that man was a very stronger person. Then the dog was living with a man. Then the dog considered man as a loyal, and he was very loyal to this man. Then the dog were not, he stayed with this man, never go away from the man. Now like that, the dog find a new master. Who is the master of the dog? The man himself. The man himself is the master of the dog. Okay, this is the chapter. This much only the story. You can read the chapter. You have to read the chapter. Okay, everyone have to read the chapter 2-3 times. Then there are word meaning already. On the side of the chapter there was some meanings. Then you can copy that meanings. Then some other meanings also I will give. Okay, you can copy all this word meaning. Please everyone read the chapter. Please take your fair copy with you and you can write chapter 2. The name of the chapter, how the dog found himself a new master. Okay. The word meaning of the textbook also you can copy. Then you write this word meaning is written here. Wandering means roaming. Going here and there. Wandering. Roaming. Tame animal means easy to control. Then fierce. F-I-E-R-C-E. Fierce means violent. Then sniffed. S-N-I-F-F-E-D. Sniffed means trying to smell of. Okay. Then panic. Got afraid. I got panic means I got afraid. Okay. Then hastily. Hastily means quickly. Okay. Beast. Wild animal. Beast means wild animal. Then amid. A-M-I-D. Amid means among. Then loyal means faithful. Loyal servant, faithful servant. Okay.